Hello, I'm Martin, an art teacher here in the elementary school, and I want to teach you how to draw a horse, celebrating the year of the horse, 2026. So pay attention, we will be using some very simple steps, but applying geometric shapes. In the same way my little ones can do it. First, place the circles for the head. Small circle for the head, connected with a small circle for the snout, in this way. Then, triangle here. Draw a triangle for the neck. After doing that, you can see that we're placing is the draft for the head and the neck. Draw for the chest a large circle, for the tummy, for the belly, oval. Look at the position of this circle, of this oval, and then change the position of the oval in this direction. This is just a draft. Let's place the legs like basic lines. The front leg will be pointing to the front direction, and two legs, very simple, the back legs to the back. Curved lines for the tail and also for the hair. Now let's go for details. Okay, let's go for the head of the horse. First, we need to trace here the snout, now let's go up. The eyes, this line could be much more curved if you want. Making this curve. Now with curved lines, draw the hair of your horse. Now, what about the body? Here, connect this line, making the back. Now, what about the legs? Make this double, considering the knee here, the heels here, the feet. Now complete the tummy, connect with the leg at the back. One leg, and here you can add the other leg here. The tail, some additional details to make this nicer. And now, what about the seat here? Let's try to do some layer over here.
Madao Chengong, Jin and Kalo.